Good afternoon. Today we discuss about the Environmental and Social Impact Assessment ESIA. I am Dr. Ardhar Maraj, Associate Professor, Department of Civil Engineering, KPR Institute of Engineering Technology. Presentation outline, Unit 1, Introduction, Impact of Development on Environmental, the review principle of sustainable development, environmental impact assessment, objectives, historical development, EA types, EA in the project cycle, EA notification and legal framework. In this unit, we discuss about the sustainable development, the environmental and environmental impact assessment and EA notification and legal framework for the unit 1 outline. This unit we discuss in the project life cycle and environmental impact assessments and sustainable development for the entire globe. Different Earth Summit is conducted in worldwide. So the Earth Summit conclusions are also included in the environmental impact assessment in our Indian cultures. Introductions. Since the onset of industrialization, various activity has impact our environmental in various ways, leading to the population pollution and environmental degradation. Various pollution source includes mining, industrial and commercial pollutions and agriculture runoff, sewage, etc. These are the pollutions majorly affected from groundwater and earth and these impurities are directly affected the human livings and non-human livings. So we causes for the entire uh, flow cycle and life cycle of the environmental. Solid waste can directly impact human health. These are the causes in the day-to-day life occurring in the people's. Right side image showing the clarity of the view. This is one of the marketplace. So after completing the marketing time, the waste materials and unused vegetables and things are dumped in the outside roadsides in the market. Some other impact, direct impact for properties, gas lines and diesel, acid waste, heavy metals, metals, paint, solvent, pesticides, gas line, diesel, decaying animal and plant matters. These are the solid waste directly impact in the human health. In just introduction, all this pollution poses a great danger and threat to lives and well-being of human and plant in the environmental. Minimizing negative effects of the pollution, scientists have various geophysical methods to assess the impact on the environmental where such things are carried out. This process is called environmental and social impact assessments. What is EA? EA is a systematic identification and evaluation of potential impact or effect of proposed project, plans, program, or legalization action relative to the psycho-chemical and biological culture and some social economical component of the total environmental. The flow chart clearly mentioned for the EA requirement. First of all, choose the baseline data and second unchanged baseline data put together to discuss in the investments. Definition of EAA. Environmental impact assessment is formal process for identifying likely effect of activities or project on the environment and on human health and welfare. Means and measures to mitigate and monitoring the impacts. What is an impact? The impact of the activity is a deviation from the baseline situation that is caused by the activity. The baseline situation, the existing environmental situation or condition in the absence of EAA activity. The baseline situation is key concept in the EAA. different type of impact in the environmental impact assessment. First of all, ecological impact, psychochemical impact, impact on human interest. Ecological impact is fisheries, forest, and plantation. These are the ecological impacts. Directly connected with the environmental. Psychochemical impact is erosion and saltation and drainage congesting and waterlogging, flooding, obstruction to the water flow, wastewater flow, dust, noise pollution, etc. These are the psycho and chemical impact. Impact on human is loss of agriculture land, generation in the employability opportunity, navigation and boat communication, commercial and facilities, industry activities, irrigation facilities, etc. These are the impacts. Aim and objective of EAA is to identify the predict and access the associate as well as potential impact of the proposed project or action on the environmental. Importance or benefits of the EA to ensure safety of living things in the environmental, to know the extent of damage caused by activities such as pollution, reduce environmental damage, optimum utilization of resource and saving of the time and cost of the project, low project cost in the long term, increases project acceptance provided project design, environmental sustainability, Rio Principle of Sustainable Development. Rio Declaration on Environmental and Development, often shortened to the Rio Declaration, was short document produced at the 1992 United Nations Conference on Environmental and Development, informally known as the Earth Summit. The Rio Declaration consists of 27 principles instead of the guide country in the for the future sustainable development. It was signed by our over 175 countries. Rio Summit 1992. Groundwork of 1992 Earth Summit. Our common future, also known as the Brundtland Land Report, in the recognized from the Norway Prime Minister Gro Harlem, chair of the World Commission of the Environmental and Development of WCED, was published in 1987 by the United Nations through the Oxford University Press. Rio Declaration on Environmental and Development. The United Nations Conference on Environmental Development meet at Rio from the 3 to 14 June 1992. It is working towards international agreement which respect the interest of all and protect the integrity of a global environmental development system. So many principles are listed in the slides. We discuss one by one, and then totally 27 principles is there. Finally, we discussed the principles, and now we move to another topic, environment impact assessment, EAA. Environment impact assessment is a process of identifying, predicting, evaluating, and mitigating the biophysical, social, and other relevant effects of development proposal prior to the major decision being taken and commitments made. The chart for the EAA: certainty, protections, predictability, flexibility, cost effectiveness, predictability, accountability, transparency. These things is totally occupy in the EAA. In one or two components are deviating the norms and legal issues to directly affect the peoples and environmental. Rationale of the EAA: protect environmental and control pollution, Environmental Protect Act 1986 and the Environmental Protection Rule 1986. requirement of prior environmental clearance, which project require EC. Project listed in the schedule to the notification as category A and B project. All new projects are actively listed in the schedule to the this notification. Expansion and modernization of the existing project are activity listed in the schedule to the notification. Any changes in product are mixed in the existing manufacturing unit, including the schedules. EC by whom? Category A project MOEF based on decision on the recommendation by expert appraisal committee. Category B project at the state level, State Environmental Impact Assessment Authority. Regime CAA regime, CAA to be assessed as per physical, ecological, social, socio-economic. EA regime, the biological, environmental, and human environmental, like in economic, the human environmental also social, the physical and chemical environmental. These four things is directly connected with the EA regime. Thank you. Upcoming topics we discuss in the next class.